Google has given us another way to customize our NotebookLM notebooks. There are two ways you can customize the banner. The second way is if you're deep in your chat, as you see me scrolling all the way up to the top here. But the first way is hovering over the top of your notebook chat and clicking on customize. You'll see a modal so you can upload an image. We'll just choose this one for the sake of example, and we'll see this applied to our banner. You can see it update in the background here. Again, you can customize your title, but you can also set a custom notebook summary. So it automatically generates a summary for you, but if you want the same consistent summary to display each time, you can input that here. And this is what the updated customized banner looks like for us. If you're all the way at the bottom of your long chat, just click on the three dots in the chat panel and choose Customize Notebook. So not only does this update the banner in your notebook, but if you go back to the NotebookLM homepage, you'll see it update the tile as well. If you found this useful, like the video and leave a comment. If you want more content on AI, workflow automation, and analytics, subscribe to the channel.